In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your login URL in WordPress to make your website more secure. By default, every WordPress site uses the same login page, which is usually /wp-admin or /wp-login.php. Because this is predictable, it can become a target for brute force attacks. The good news is you can easily change it in just a few minutes using a free plugin. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't lock yourself out. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress security tips. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-admin and logging in with your username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where we'll install the plugin that allows us to change the login URL safely without editing any core files. Next, in the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type WPS Hide Login. This is a free and lightweight plugin that lets you change your login URL without modifying WordPress core files. When you see WPS Hide Login appear in the search results, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Once activated, the plugin immediately becomes available in your settings, but don't worry, it won't change your login URL until you configure it. Now that the plugin is active, go to the left-hand menu again, click on Settings, and then click on WPS Hide Login. This will take you to the plugin's configuration page. You'll see a field labeled Login URL. This is where you can create your new custom login path. In the Login URL box, type a secret word or phrase. For example, you could type something like secret door, secure access, or any unique word you prefer. Do not include your full domain name, just the ending part. So if you type secret door, your new login URL will become yourdomain.com/secretdoor. Make sure it's something unique but easy for you to remember. After entering your new login URL, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is extremely important. As soon as you save, your old WP-admin and WP-login.php URLs will no longer work. WordPress will automatically block access to those default login pages. Before you do anything else, immediately bookmark your new login URL in your browser. This is critical. If you forget the new login link, you could temporarily lock yourself out of your own website. So double-check that your new login page works by opening it in a new tab and confirming you can access the login screen. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress login URL and added an extra layer of security to your website. This simple step can significantly reduce automated login attempts and protect your site from common attacks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, security tips, and step-by-step website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.